Hi, I'm Avlin and I'm an intern with Lexus and Company for the month of July, and today I'm going to discuss the topic of fundamental duties. So fundamental duties are basically moral obligations which are imposed on the citizens to uphold and promote the spirit of patriotism in the citizens of India. So basically, fundamental duties were added by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976 as Part 4A of the Constitution. Initially, there were only 10 fundamental duties, and later on, it was increased to 11. It was increased to 11 by the 86th Amendment Act 2002. So, fundamental duties basically impose a duty on the citizens of the country to protect, promote, to protect the environment, to promote the spirit of brotherhood among the citizens, and to protect the public property, to cherish the monuments, to cherish the culture of country. So all these things have been covered under the fundamental duties. And further, if anybody, whether it's a president, president, vice president, or any one of the citizens of India, if they go against the provisions of fundamental duties, or if they violate fundamental duties, then it will be considered to be punishable under Prevention of Insults to National Honors Act 1971. So Supreme Court has also ruled that the use of fundamental duties also help the courts to decide the constitutionality of the law passed by the legislature. And there are references such as references of such duties in international instruments also, such as UDHR and International Covenants on Civil and Political Rights. So this further, Article 51A brings the Constitution in conformity with all the treaties. So now, what is the basic significance behind fundamental duties? So fundamental duties, the very foremost significance is that it serves as a constant reminder on the citizens of the country that since they are enjoying certain rights, they also have certain duties. Number two, it plays fundamental duties are helps the courts to check the constitutionality of law, and further it serves as a warning to the people who are doing anti-social activities that they cannot do that. For example, disrespecting their flag or damaging public property. So they have a duty to protect them rather to spoil them. So these fundamental duties also act as a warning to them. Further, they help in promoting the sense of discipline and commitment towards nation, and helps in realizing national goals by active participation of the citizens. And the last one which we can say is they can be enforced by law. The parliament has the right to impose any type of penalty or punishment if anyone is violating fundamental duties. So basically, if we talk about fundamental duties, just like directive principles, are addressed to the state. So are addressed to the citizens, like directive principles are addressed to the states. So similarly, fundamental duties are addressed to the citizens without any legal sanction for the violation. For its violation. So the citizen is himself expected to monitor while exercising and imposing such his fundamental rights. He should keep in mind that he owes some duties as well. If he is enjoying certain rights, he also needs to keep in mind all the duties. So we have certain judgments related to fundamental duties. They are MC Mehta versus Union of India. So Supreme Court held under Article 51 Clause A, Subclause G, that it is the duty of the central government to introduce compulsory teaching of lessons at least 1 hour in a week on protection and environment of national environment in educational institutions. It directed central government to get textbooks written on the subject and then distribute them to the educational institutes free of cost in order to among people, consciousness of cleanliness of environment. It suggests the desirability of organization, keep the city clean, uh, week, town week, village week, at least once in a week. So what I'm trying to say here is that although we have fundamental duties, but since there are no sanctions attached to it, they are not being followed properly. So it's very important to make everybody aware about these fundamental duties. The awareness is not lacking because we don't have proper provisions for it. Yes, we do have proper provisions, but the spread, like the awareness needs to be spread and everybody needs to know. So it was held by the Supreme Court in MC Mehta versus Union of India that every institute should teach fundamental duties to their students at a very early age. So thank you.